Welcome back to Hayden's Hangar. Tonight I wanted to take a quick look at a model. I have no idea what this is or where it came from originally, but a friend of mine picked it up at a swap and passed it along to me after crashing it. This wing was collapsed, so I did a repair on the wing. I'm going to recover it. It's clearly intended to be a GeeBee or, a knockoff thereof. It has a very slowpoke kind of look to it. I am going to convert this to electric. So I will include some pictures of the setup. I've already pulled out the gas tank and taking a look inside. It's going to fit a battery real nice. But I am going to have to recover this wing edge and will include some video of that as well. So here's the beginning of a little bit of a repair project. I'm hoping to get this in the air in just a couple of weeks. So come back and watch and see how it goes.